What's up, everybody? This is Jesus Esparza. Well, let's get ready for the Esparza's Monster Truck Sign-Up Series number 42. And, yep, I just got all the trucks that handpicked by Monster Jam Collector Racing who booked this truck lineup and for my next sign-up for this sign-up series. And now I got all the participants, and this is a complete 16 participants with 16 with a different truck that they selected. All right, no time to waste, and let's get started. And here are the participants who select the trucks, and we're getting ready to get to action. All right, Traxxas Monster Trucks Live will be in Dodge Charger RT, General Lee, Blaze Starfire, and Hot Wheels Racing 1. Michelangelo Pizza Time will be in Steer Clear. Mike B. Titans of Steel will be in Mega Rex. Andres Rodriguez and Bone Shaker. Amber Portillo in Hulk. Jackson Roller in Pure Muscle Camo Crasher. And Jackson Monster Truck in Music Log in Baja Buster. Lego Fan 506 Mark Galloway will be in The New Day. Christopher Bergsteff in Undertaker. Angel M in Sriracha. Antonio Rodriguez 3 AJ Styles. Monster Jam 007 Bigfoot. Curry Gaming and Hotweiler. Monster Jam Collector Racing, Loco Punk, and SMS Scorpion and Spider-Man. And yep, the lineup has been complete, and the participants has complete with one different truck that was not a single same truck, the one that anyone else who already have. But now let's just get started, and I will meet you in the track. And this is gonna be the track looks like. And now, let's get started. This is round number 1. Hotweiler versus Bigfoot. Wow, and Hotweiler gets the win. Next up is Loco Punk versus Spider-Man. Whoa! Oh man, what a close race, but who went to the furthest? It looks like Loco Punk got the furthest, and Loco Punk moves on. Next up is The New Day takes on Pure Muscle Camo Crasher. Man, they both flipped over, but man, that's hard. That's hard to find out to see who just went to the furthest, but man, that was a close race. But let me see who just went to the furthest first. Let me see Let's see it. It looks like The New Day went to the furthest first. Yeah, that was a close call. It looks like The New Day is the furthest, and The New Day is moving on. This is going to be an interesting dream matchup. Undertaker versus AJ Styles. And it was the Undertaker got the win. Next up, it's Sriracha versus Baja Buster. Man, Sriracha's flip, but that was a close race. But, man, let's see if I could check on who went to the furthest first. There we go. And it means it looks like Baja Buster went to the closest. So that means Baja Buster moves on. He went to the furthest. It went to the furthest. Yeah, Sriracha's getting close one, but it's not far enough. And it was Baja Buster was moving on. The next matchup from round 1, it was Bone Shaker versus Hulk. Whoa! Whoa! A close race, but man, Hulk was standing in a wheelie like this, and bone shaker flip, but almost went off the track. And this means the furthest one, it was Hulk. So Hulk is moving on. General Lee of Dodge Charger RT. It was Dodge Charger RT General Lee versus Hot Wheels Racing 1. Man, they're trying to go jump to make it to who can make the furthest. The furthest one was Hot Wheels Racing 1. Alright, here we go. The last round of round number 1. Steer Clear versus Mega Rex. Very nice. And it was Steer Clear is the winner. And here are these trucks are going to be moving on to round number 2. Alright, round number 2 is underway. Hotweiler versus Locopunk. Whoa! It was Hotweiler. The New Day versus The Undertaker. Oh, it was The Undertaker is the winner. Baja Buster versus the Hulk. And it was the Hulk. Last round of round number 2. Hot Wheels Racing 1 versus Steer Clear. Whoa. Man, what a close race. Hot Wheels Racing number 1 is almost out of the track, but this was a very close one. Let me see, trying to check on, well, that was a very closest race, but let's see, it looks like Steer Clear got this one. Man, that was a close race, but so this means Steer Clear is moving on. It's moving on. And these are the 4 who are in the semifinals. Here we go, the semifinals. Will it be Hotweiler or The Undertaker? It was Hotweiler. Here we go. Who's going to be joining Hotweiler in the final round? Will it be Hulk? Will it be Steer Clear? Let's find out right now. Oh, very close one. Man, I think the Hulk got it first. I don't know. Let me see. Here we go. And yes, the Hulk is moving on to the final round with Hotweiler. And this is it. These are the final 2 to see who's going to be the winner of the Esparza's Monster Truck Sign-Up Series number 42. Will it be Hotweiler by Curry Gaming or Hulk by Amber Portillo? And let's see who's the winner. 3, 2, 1, go! Whoa! And it's the Hulk by Amber Portillo. Congratulations, Amber Portillo. You are the winner of the Esparza's Monster Truck Sign-Up Series number 42 and Hulk. Congratulations, you have done it. If you'd like to join my sign-up series in my future sign-up series, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And hope you're gonna be next one. And hope you all enjoyed it. And I'll see you at the Esparza's Monster Truck Sign-Up Series number 43.